Krishna is speaking contradictory statements, telling them to return home. But it's contradictory. What Krishna is telling the gopis is contradictory to all the statements that he speaks in Shastras. Because in the Shastras he says, "Oh, if anyone comes to me, I'll always have my shelter. I'll always protect them." This is what he says. He says, when one attains Krishna's eternal association in the spiritual world by a life of love and pure devotion, then one never returns to the material world. So Goloka Vrindavan, of course I'm hedging on that already. Goloka Vrindavan is the land of no return. That's that. So Krishna is saying in 5 different verses in Gita that one who comes to me never returns. So you come to Krishna, natad basaite suryo, na shashanko napavaka, yadgatva nanivartate, taddamam paramam mama. Paramam mama. So when one comes, taddamam paramam mama. Taddamam paramam mama. When one comes to the taddam, when one comes to that paramam mama, which is it's mama, paramam mama, it's my greatest transcendental abode. In other words, when one comes to me, and what is my place like? It's self-effulgent. It's what is the light that you find in Vrindavan? The light in Vrindavan is not the light of the sun or the moon. Na shashanko na pavaka. It says, na shashanko na pavakaha. Krishna is telling this in 15th chapter of Gita, verse number 6. I think so. 15:6. He says, na shashanko. In my place, there's no moon planet. And who's sitting on the moon planet? Shashanka. And the word Shashanka in Sanskrit means Khargosh. Khargosh in Hindi means rabbit.